Time was a boyfriend I have one time. And he want to try to do it at the bottom. I'm say, alright then me go try and see if I can do it. And not just to experiment. Man, by the second catch on my battle one, me feel like fire! Me say me feel like my natural battle wall burst. Me say no. Take you out of my battle wall. Man, battle wall feel like it a bleed yo. That's why I'm in anal sex. I feel like somebody stabbed me in my battle wall with one big ice pick. My battle wall burn me out. Make you know battle wall sex and all them something there. Make you man all anal. We think of the anal sex. Anal. Anal. What is a fucking anal? Dino anal. Now make it try to make it sound with a body wall sex fucking your body. Fucking my body, no about my anal to make it sound nice. That shit is not nice, that shit is hot. When that shit plug in and you can't go in your body, as soon as that go in, you feel like heaven and earth and everything came in one. Me say you feel like you're going shit, you feel like you're going piss, you feel like you're a baby. Leave your body all alone. You hear me tell you, take it from experience. That was just like a gears a gunshot past my body when I'm nearly dead. You hear me? If your girl can't take cocky on them body, she's strong. She's a strong beast. Strong beast. Imagine a buying and came and got a toilet. Man have this big old long black cocky and show up your body wall. You're a beast. Because me couldn't do it. You need a gold medal. Simple as that. Enough girl me know. Enough boy too. Sex with them bottom. And life good with them. Absolutely, because they know what they're doing and they could do it good. I say more power to you. Strong power. But me can't do it. My battle was just simply easy for blister. Me can't take them thing there. Me say when the boy take the cocky, I say to him, say, alright, me may try.